This video explores API test views in ThousandEyes. API test views provide key information about your API transactions, including timing breakdowns, performance metrics, and the requests and responses for each step. We'll walk through an example using a multi-step API test that runs every 2 minutes from 30 agents. It includes 3 sequential API calls, where each step depends on the previous one, so all 3 must complete successfully for the test to pass. Step 1 authenticates and retrieves a token. Step 2 retrieves a contacts list to obtain a phone number. Step 3 triggers a notification to that contact using a POST request. Each step includes assertion rules to validate status codes and response data. With the test configured, let's explore the views interface. API tests provide metrics such as API transaction time, the total time taken by all API calls that run sequentially in a test round, and API completion, the percentage indicating the number of successful API calls in a test round. The geographic map provides a color-coded view of your vantage points running the test, while the table view displays per-agent details for the selected time interval, including timestamps, transaction times, and completion percentages. The Details tab summarizes each API step's results, response codes, assertion pass rates, call times, and processing times. To see how this works in practice, let's look at a troubleshooting scenario. In this example, the API test begins to fail. The authentication step successfully retrieves the token, but the contacts list step times out, causing the notification step to fail as well. Over the next few intervals, the contacts step continues timing out. Then the response changes from a timeout to an HTTP 503 error, indicating the API server is struggling to recover. Drilling into the details for each step, we see that authentication completed successfully. The contact step shows the 503 response and which assertions failed. The notification step shows a 400 response with error details in the body. After a few more intervals, the test fully recovers with HTTP 200 responses and all assertions passing. This example reveals an issue with the contact's API server. While the authentication server consistently returned tokens, the contact's server began timing out and then returned 503 errors. The notification step failures were a downstream effect. The IT team should investigate the contact's API server. To recap, API test views help you interpret transaction timings, track performance metrics, and examine step-by-step request and response details to quickly identify issues. Thanks for watching.